In this video guide, I will provide you with instructions that will help you to get rid of the browser hijacking extension called Inspirational Quotes Ext. This is the extension designed specifically for the Google Chrome browser. This extension, in fact, functions as a typical browser hijacker because it may change the default search engine settings without the user's permission. Therefore, if it was mistakenly installed into your Google Chrome browser, you need to undertake the measures and to get rid of it immediately. This is the way you can do it. So, in your Google Chrome browser, you need to access the menu, go to More Tools, then choose Extensions. When you find this extension, you need to remove it from the list and don't hesitate to remove other junk extensions. Finally, I would also recommend that you investigate your computer with Combo Cleaner antivirus by directly going to the page combocleaner.com. So download the software, install it, and then once the software is successfully installed, start researching your computer. Combo Cleaner will help you to detect and eliminate other threats. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner antivirus, for the first time the program will be initially in the trial mode, so only quick scan option is available. So you need to click on Start Scan button and then the scanning will immediately begin. But most likely, of course, the program should first of all update its anti-malware database, which is definitely essential for proper detection and removal of any malware. So don't skip that important step if Combo Cleaner suggests you to update its antivirus database. Then the scanning itself will take place. The scanning duration depends on various factors. It may depend on how infected the computer is. It may depend on how many hard drives are being scanned at the same time. And it may depend on other factors too, of course. Combo Cleaner will give you the summary of all the threats which were revealed during the scan at the end of the scan. I want to emphasize your attention on several features, for instance, anti-ransomware feature, which will always protect your files against ransomware attacks. This feature is the part of the premium license, though. So you need to wait a certain amount of time until the scanning has been successfully finalized by Combo Cleaner. At the end of the scanning, you will see the full summary of all the threats which were revealed on your computer. Of course, some threats can be removed manually. However, we recommend that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner to make sure your computer is always under decent protection.